Okay, real quick, we got a Facebook group that you can join to get all of this information and more, and to be able to get into contact with me and learn more if you need any kind of information. Go ahead and click below for the Facebook group, and go ahead and click below to subscribe. And go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Hey, welcome back to Make Better Music, hosted by Miles Davis. And I am Miles Davis. All right, what is recording? Before you get to mixing, before you get to mastering, you need to know what recording is. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what you need to start recording. All right, so on a very base level, you need a microphone. A microphone is what you're recording in, what you're gonna use to record into your preamp. Your preamp is what is amplifying your microphone to be recorded into your interface. Your interface is what interfaces with your computer. So your microphone plugs into, in some interface, a lot of interfaces these days have preamps within them. They might not be the best preamps, but they're preamps all the same. So you get that preamp, you get your microphone, you get your preamp, get your interface, or you get your interface and preamp all mixed together in one, right? Then from there, you record that signal into your DAW. Your DAW is Pro Tools, Logic, Ableton, Reason, Fruity Loops, all of those programs that have multi-track recorders within them. Or you can get an external, you can get a multi-track recorder that is not within the confines of a computer, such as a Studer, which is a 24-track analog tape recorder. Is one of the ones they use to record all of these records from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s even. It's a lot of prestige behind that, right? Once you get it recorded into, like I said, any of those DAWs of your choice, that's when the mixing process begins. But let's go back. Once you get on an intermediate level, what I just said was on the base level. On an intermediate level, what you want to do is up that mic. Like I myself, I'm not professional as far as my equipment is pretty good, but it's high intermediate. It's not professional. Professional, in my opinion, is like these Neumann mics that are like $4,000. That's professional in my opinion, right? Where I am, I had a $1,000 Neumann mic. I got a nice $900 UAD interface. Like I said, this is my perspective only. Intermediate. I know what bass is, I know what intermediate is, and I've seen professionals. So they spend a lot more money than $1,000 on the mic and $1,000 on the preamp. So back to my point, what you need is on the intermediate level to get your quality up from that bass level is a nice mic, UAD, AKG. What else, man? There's a lot of people. There's a lot of companies that make a lot of good mics. Those companies, just to start, a preamp is what you need to basically, it gains up your mic signal, because your mic signal is not loud enough to record anything prior to a preamp, right? So it stands for preamplification. So basically what it's doing is amping your signal up, right, to be recorded into your interface. So you get a nice preamp such as an Avalon, that's high end, that's expert, that's pro level. You know what I'm saying? You can get you something else. You can get you a UAD interface that's gonna do you not the same. Don't get it twisted. It's not gonna be the same, but it's gonna be pretty damn good. And you can it emulates those higher end professional ones. Basically, you're buying an Avalon in a $900 box as opposed to buying a $3,000 Avalon. So once you got your mic, high quality preamp, then you got your interface. So UAD doubles as a preamp and an interface. So you can either get one of those, you can get an Apogee. Those are some of the high dollar, high quality interfaces that are in the studios these days. So once you get that, you record all of that good clarity into your DAW. And that is at the basic level what recording is. And you want to record all of that good stuff in at, all right, so my phone just went out of storage or whatever, but like I said, you want to record all of that stuff in at a level that is respectable. You don't want to be distorted. You don't want to be too far into the yellow, because if you decide to, or whoever you're recording decides to belt out, meaning go loud at any given moment, that's going to jump past distortion. It's going to sound distorted. So it's not going to be a good, clean recording. So what you want to do is always record in the green. That will save you a lot of time, headache, and pain and frustration that I've experienced in life. So I don't want you to go through the same things that I've went through. But just wanted to let you know, stay in the green, man. Stay in the green. Stay in the green. All right. Catch you guys on the next episode, man. Click below, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. And we got more coming, man. Next videos, all right?